hope you are getting a nice view of your project, Regalia Tower project. Yeah, this one. Enabling works is in progress. Good day, project team. We are here near Regalia Tower project, near Paramount building and SLS. I will show you what is the status of or update of the Regalia Tower project construction. We are a bit lucky, you know. This is there is a traffic right now going to Alcale Road, so we can have a good look about the construction of this Regalia Tower project. As you can see, those boom cranes, yeah, these are the equipments. What is ongoing right now? Enabling works in progress. It's like preparation for piles, the foundation. Now we are very near. That's the Paramount building. Yeah, that's SLS. Yeah. As you can see, that's Regalia. Now you can see the Regalia construction site. Those are excavators, soil excavators, and mobile cranes are on site doing the enabling works. This is just the SLS wall. Yeah, those we have a nice view here. Alright, I hope you are getting a nice view of your project, Regalia Tower project. Yeah, this one. Enabling works is in progress. So maybe soon, maybe after maybe a year, this enabling work, or less than a year, this enabling work, foundation works will be finished. Yeah, we are so lucky, guys, project team. It's a bit traffic here now in Alcale Road. Yeah, this is the SLS. And that's the construction site of your Regalia Tower project. I think this is the contractor's or engineer's office. These cabins. I hope I gave you a good, you know, a quick update, construction update about Regalia Tower project. Just don't forget to like this video, project team, and subscribe to my channel for more videos similar to this. And by the way, project team, I am a professional home snagging. We provide home snagging services for your new homes. Just contact me. My contact number is in the description below this video, and I accept also some donation support on you guys. If you have maybe more requested video to update. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.